Okay, everybody, it's Mr. B-Man back with you today. I am getting ready to do another unboxing, or in this case, sort of an unbagging. Uh, uh, Ordered something from Amazon, came in today, and it's pretty cool. Let's see what it is. Of course, yes, I've had it out of the box before now, just to be honest. What it is the MagicFly egg candler, and it's basically to candle your eggs with if you're going to incubate your eggs on a farm or even wherever. This thing is the cordless version, and the cordless version has a rechargeable battery in it so that the user can just recharge at will and be ready to go. I've tested this thing previously, and we're going to get into it and show you exactly what it looks like and what it has in the package. Well, get my knife to work for me. So, open this baby up. First thing you get is a charge cord. It is a standard mini USB charge cord to USB. Does not come with a actual charge adapter, but the directions online says that any standard USB adapter charger will work. We open it on up, and down the bottom of the box we see directions. Comes in a nice sort of silky plastic sheath. Pull it off, and there you go. That's what it looks like. Chargers on this end, basically the on-off. This comes with a cap, actually a double cap. That one goes on like so. It's got a ridge around it to hold it. And that is for a smaller type egg if you're doing like quail eggs. And then for a normal size chicken egg or duck egg or something of that nature, you slip this on like that, and it gives you the larger opening. Now what I'm going to do, it does come pre-charged to a point. I've gone ahead and charged it completely up, and I'm going to show you what it looks like when you candle an egg. I'm going to cut the lights off in just a second and put one of my fresh eggs up here and show you. Now the directions that come with it, actually, get them up out of here, are pretty clear. Tells you the using it, how to use it. Actually shows how to test and see if you're unsure about the freshness of your egg, whether or not how to check and see whether it is or isn't. Gives you some specifications about it. The charging time, apparently from the notes here, is about 3 hours to do a complete charge. And I would say that's on like a 1 amp or lower charger. If you get one of the 2 amp chargers or the 2.5 amp chargers, it's going to take a whole lot less time. So we'll set that to the side. I'm going to have my wife, Nicole, go ahead and kill the lights. And I'm going to grab an egg. And it gets a little dark, and basically when we turn this on, this is a fresh egg, so that is actually what it looks like as far as a fresh egg. You turn, see, and that's all there is to it. You've set it on there. Normally, if you were incubating, there's other things that you would look for in here, but it says if you're trying to check the freshness, you turn the egg till the point side is down and the large side up and put the light on it, and check to see whether you see the air bubble or not. If you see no air bubble or a very small air bubble, it's a fresh egg within 6 days. Well, this was yesterday's egg, and I can just barely discern there's a little bit of an air bubble up here. So with that, y'all, you're getting what you're wanting when you go to Amazon and get this thing. That's where I purchased it. There'll be a link down in the description below where you can click on it if you want to, and takes you straight to Amazon and buy it if you need one. This one cost me $18. These come in both cordless and corded versions. I chose the cordless, should I say, but if you plug it into a strong charger like I was using, you can actually run it while it's on the charger, corded. So keep that in mind. Y'all, if you like these videos, please like, share, and comment if you want any information. So this is what you don't want to see, by the way, if you're candling eggs. You want to see other things. So talk to you later. Bye.